Welcome to HIFENs World. Today's topic is Istanbul. Istanbul, Turkish Istanbul, formerly Constantinople, ancient Byzantium, largest city and principal seaport of Turkey. It was the capital of both the Byzantine Empire and the Ottoman Empire. The old walled city of Istanbul stands on a triangular peninsula between Europe and Asia. Sometimes as a bridge, sometimes as a barrier, Istanbul for more than 2,500 years has stood between conflicting surges of religion, culture, and imperial power. For most of those years it was one of the most coveted cities in the world. The name Byzantium may derive from that of Byzas, leader of the Greeks from the city of Megara who, according to legend, captured the peninsula from pastoral Thracian tribes and built the town about 657 BCE. In 196 CE, having razed the town for opposing him in a civil war, the Roman Emperor Septimus Severus rebuilt it, naming it Augusta Antonina in honor of his son. In 330 CE, when Constantine the Great dedicated the city as his capital, he called it New Rome. The coinage, nevertheless, continued to be stamped Byzantium until he ordered the substitution of Constantinopolis. At the end of the first millennium, Greek speakers were reported to refer to trips there as Istanbul into the city rather than to Constantinople. By the 13th century this Greek phrase had become an appellation for the city Istanbul. Through a series of speech permutations over a span of centuries this name became Istanbul. Until the Turkish Post Office officially changed the name in 1930, however, the city continued to bear the millenary name of Constantinople. Top 2007 10,757,327, 2019 Est. Urban Agglom, 15,113,808. That's all for today. If you do liked this video, please support us by subscribing our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.